Yes, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here down and Hakim is playing with the pegs. Where are you bringing that? Today guys, I'm feeling very weak, like I don't feel like doing anything since last night. So I asked the Ate Dagureti to wash our clothes today. So she's coming to wash and we are just here sitting down because Hakim doesn't like to be inside the house. So sometimes it's like that guys, you know, like when you feel weak, you cannot do anything, you need to rest. My husband is telling me also that sometimes I need to rest also. So if you're following my vlog, that's what I'm saying before, that sometimes I'm asking someone to clean my house and wash my clothes. So today she's coming and we are here. Hakim already how do you call this, he's playing with the pegs and he's there. He's there. This is our life here guys. Arrange everything, yes, very good. More. Yes, well done. Again, no, don't throw them, you need to put them there. Put them back, everything. Yes. There's no kids here guys, so he's playing alone. They're in school. This is just our normal day here in Kenya guys. Now is already, what's the time now? It's 10:57 a.m. You see Hakim? You see Hakim is playing water. Hakim, come here. That is Ate Dagureti guys. That's the way how they're washing clothes. They're squatting, bending. So ganyan po sila maglaba dito guys, naka-bend. Hindi sila nakaupo kagaya ng mga Pilipino. You know, for us Ate Dagureti, we like sitting.
I'm busy.
And Hakim is helping.
I'm washing clothes for Hakim.
So guys, I'm making avocado banana smoothie for Hakim. You see why mommy charger is here? Huh? Say something. So I have 2 banana here guys. Our fruits is already finished. So this one I just bought from outside here in the nearest shop. So this banana they're selling for 10 Kenyan shillings each. So like 5 pesos. I don't have energy today guys. I don't know. Maybe I'm just tired. And then avocado for 30 Kenyan shillings. So that is like 15 pesos. So Hakim doesn't like avocado. You see, it's almost, he don't like avocado much. But sit down, my love, sit down. Sit down please. Sit down please. But if you make smoothie, he likes smoothie. Yes. Now you see, he just want to play. No, don't play. What am I telling you? We're not wasting food. We don't waste food. Hakim, you're listening to mommy? You need to learn in early age that we don't waste food, okay? Yes. Thank you. I didn't cut the bananas. Food is for eating, it's not for playing, okay? Mm. Yes. Well done. So guys, I'm only using this one, the avocado, and the banana is for that will be our sugar. So I'm not adding any sugar. And then I have UHT, long life UHT milk, 200 ml. That's enough. That's all guys, a very simple smoothie, banana avocado smoothie. After taking his nap, Hakim is here outside the gate again. He likes walking around. As long as he's not crying, it's okay. I'm just letting him to explore. So where are you going, my love? Let's see, where is he heading? You know, this Hakim is very clever. He knows the way going outside. Going outside the road. He knows. He memorized it. Today only my content is only taking care of Hakim. You see guys, he knows the way. At least here it's safe because there's the motorcycle cannot enter this side. So he can just walk freely. Let's see, where is he going? Sorry. Now he's coming back. Where are you going, my love? No. So Hakim is here, guys. What is that? Okay, say and smile. So guys, ganito lang yung buhay namin dito ni Hakim. Pag pagod ako, binababa ko lang siya dito sa baba namin kasi malawak naman yung bakura dito, so pwede siyang maglaro. Ito sa likod na to ng apartment namin. Ayan siya. As long as hindi siya umiiyak, okay lang. Kasi ngayon, wala akong lakas. Bumibigat na din si Hakim, pero usog. Kaya nahihirapan akong lumabas din na bit-bit siya, karga siya. So, hinahayaan ko lang siya maglakad. Ayan, nag-i-enjoy maglaro. Ayan, kung anong kinakain. So, yun lang guys. Thank you po sa panonood at sa laging pag-support sa channel ko. Hakim, can you say bye? Hakim? Ayan, pinifix niya yung slippers niya. Ayoko siyang bilhan ng slippers guys kasi parating na yung tatay niya. May mga binili siyang slippers para sa kanya. Okay, can you say bye please? Okay guys, thank you for watching. Okay, another one, say bye. Say bye guys. Thank you for watching guys.